Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we have a full guide on how to change the chat wallpaper in Telegram. Personalizing your chat background can add a touch of uniqueness and make your Telegram experience more visually appealing. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram on your device. Locate the Telegram app and tap on it to open. Step 2. In the top left corner of the screen, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on them to open the Telegram menu. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings by tapping on it. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize various Telegram features. Step 4. On the Settings page, find and tap on Chat Settings to access chat-related customization options. Step 5. Within the chat settings, look for a Change Chat Wallpaper and tap on it. Step 6. You will be presented with 2 options. You can select a wallpaper from the suggested options provided by Telegram. Alternatively, you can choose a wallpaper from your device's gallery by tapping on Select from Gallery. Congratulations! You have successfully changed the chat wallpaper in Telegram. Enjoy the new visual experience in your chats. Changing the chat wallpaper in Telegram allows you to express your unique style and personalize your conversations. It's a simple way to make your Telegram chats more visually appealing. We hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you with changing the chat wallpaper in Telegram. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Enjoy customizing your chat wallpaper in Telegram.